Haringkat bikinoi kai jong ki school ba bat college jong borok kue gari kinoi kai ke school ba North Eastern Hills University bat ki college jong kini ka jela ki badan hapok keseng Nehuta bat ki badan hapok ksatri jong ka All India Federation of University and College Teachers Organization minta kesengi ka nyotrik nailar kila pelong ya ke jingsange trikam ka besipor ka betep kum ka nationwide cease work na benta ki jingdawa ki babun khamtam habai dei ba ki jing e kinoi kai kum ka jing penduk no ya ka pension scheme Bantung ya ka 7P committee bat kui pat ki mat jing dawa ki badan kum ba khatli bat ya kani la pentep do president kani huta professor VR Rengsi kat kum ka jing thu professor Rengsi kani ka jing ki kelas dang ha kapor khat wi bjem step bat kala kut no ha kapor ar bje no phaisngi
Long live Nehuta! Long live Nehuta! Long live Nehuta!
It's about this proposal by the government where they're going to make all central universities pool as like central schools where all the teachers can be transferred throughout the country, all over the country. So that is one very significant opposition that is being made. Otherwise, if this thing happens, then the whole of the university system will be topsy-turvy and the quality of teaching will never be maintained as those who are proposing the legislation are thinking. Now another point which is very important for teachers now but which many people are feeling diffident is about pension. Since 2004, many teachers, all over the country, across the board, the pension scheme of GPF has been done away with. So now because of that, they are only entitled to go on with CPF. So one of the issues that has been made in this hunger strike is to try to make the government reconsider these employees from 2004 onwards to be entitled to GPF.